An upscale society in Mumbai, but shocking rage caught on camera. This is from Mumbai city, the suburbs, where on Mira Road we are told, look at this, what happened. An SUV driver rams into the security guards after some commotion at the entry gate. 8 people were run over by this driver of the SUV vehicle. 3 guards, we are told, are currently critical. Look at that. Rams over these men in uniform who are, of course, guards, watchmen of a certain society. And there's a reason if the group of guards have come to stop a vehicle. They may be rich and powerful in Mumbai, but could they be also proving to be dangerous at wheel? Mira Road driver, he has been held now. All of this because caught on camera. And look at this. It was no mistake. He reverses, again runs over these guards and those who are trying to stop him. Reverses and does it again. So it's not that a mistake that happened on the accelerator. This is clearly deliberate, indulgent. We do not know yet the details that are coming in. This is Thane specifically. Dipesh Tripathi is joining me. Dipesh, good morning. What do you hear? What exactly happened? Clearly appears that he's being stopped for a reason by a group of guards. What is the information you have?
Pooja, definitely there is a locality in Mira Road in north side of the Mira Road Barcelona society, in which society premises Tuesday morning these 3 guys were trying to enter. Akshat Gupta, Pooja Gupta and one other friend was with them. They were trying to enter in a society when the security guard asked them that where they have to go, did they have the permission. But at that time they started fighting with the security guard, and when the matter went ahead, they dashed the car to the security guard, in which 3 security guards of the society got injured. And after the looking the incident getting out of the hand, one of them friend took the car and they ran away from the spot. Police has lodged an FIR under section 109 of BNS, which is attempt to murder, and right now police is in search of all the 3 of accused. Nobody is detained yet by the police, but they are looking for all the CCTVs and trying to find the accused. Pooja.
Dipesh, so are you telling me that has the arrest not happened yet? What are you picking up on the details? And do you have an understanding if this happened right outside the society where these guards were? And was he a resident of that society?
Yes, Pooja, definitely they were not resident of the society.
Okay.
And this incident which happened just outside happened at the main entrance of the society, and all this incident was recorded in the CCTV footage, after which the FIR lodged in the police station. And we just spoke to the Zone 1 DCP of Mira, Bhayendra Prakash Gaikwad, who confirmed us that accused are still absconding, and police has formed several teams to track down the accused, but they are not in the reach of the police right now. But they will soon get to the accused. Pooja.
All right, Dipesh, keep tracking all the latest on this. Thank you very much for now. But it's a reminder of the kind of shocking rage, short temper that some men, some women, any citizen who believes they can get away by literally ramming into the guards. There is a multiple number of guards who are at that entry, clearly blocking him, stopping him for a reason. And look at that. Does it not once, not twice, at least thrice, deliberately hitting people? Where does this audacity, this confidence to run over people come from? We'll be tracking more on that. So as we look at this view, we are being informed that multiple reactions coming in. All right, so that's the man on your screen. That's the man who thought he can go barge into people. This looks like a mobile footage right in front of the society gate. He's definitely attempting to enter. Guards and some other members are trying to stop him. According to our colleague on the ground, he is not a resident of the society. He goes back, rams into these guards, reverses and rams into them again, at least thrice from what I could catch from the CCTV. But his face, thankfully, has now been caught on camera. That is the man on your screen. According to our information, he is yet to be held. Look at that. Clearly ramming into guards repeatedly. Remember, this could have led to loss of life. This could have led to who are already critical, but guards who could have died as well. And was it just one person or more? Dipesh, if you can hear me quickly, was there just one person? What do you hear more? How are the cops looking at this situation? We'll be tracking that and more. So one is a CCTV footage. Look at that. Residents of the society helping the guards and the watchmen to get back up. The guards the gates have been broken down by this man. Just unbelievable level of confidence and audacity to break. And this is not breaking law. This is basic civil manners, breaking protocol. It's a safe society. From what we see, it's a JP North society, we are told, in Thane. Fairly upscale. And just to think you can break protocol, enter at your own will.